Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's episode, we will learn about the story of Sayyidina Sulaiman alayhi salam and an ant. Sayyidina Sulaiman alayhi salam is the son of Sayyidina Dawood alayhi salam. He was successor of his blessed father. Allah bestowed him with the status of the prophethood and the kingship of the whole world, and he remained on the throne for a period of 40 years. He ruled over humans, jinns, devils, birds, beasts, insects, and everything and everyone. He was bestowed with the linguistic knowledge of all the creatures. Therefore, it has been mentioned in the Holy Quran. And Sulaiman became Dawood's successor, and he said, "O people, we have been taught the language of birds, and have been given to us from all things. This surely is a manifest grace." Likewise, it has been mentioned at another place in the glorious Quran. And we made the wind subservient to Sulaiman. Its morning course was a month's journey, and evening stage was of a month's journey. And we sprung a stream of molten copper for him, and from the jinns who worked before him by the command of his Lord. And those among them who turned away from our command, we shall make them taste the punishment of the blazing fire. They made for him whatever he wished, tall palaces and statues, basins like big pools, and anchored large pots. It has been narrated that once Sayyidina Sulaiman alayhi salam was passing with all of his armies that consisted of humans as well as jinn from the valley of Namal, situated in Taif or Syria, where ants would exist in a large number. The queen of the ants, that was female, as well as a lamb, warned all ants and said, "O ants, all of you go in your host. Otherwise, Sayyidina Sulaiman and his army may unknowingly crush you under their feet." Sayyidina Sulaiman alayhi salam heard this speech from a distance of 3 miles and smiled over it. Therefore Allah has said in the Holy Quran, "Until when they came to the valley of the ants, an ant called out, 'O ants, enter your houses. May Sulaiman and his armies not crush you unknowingly.' He therefore smilingly laughed at her speaking.